Today we'll talk about how can you disable alert job post notifications on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on My Learning down here. So then come to this list, click on your name. So then come to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, come to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, and you click here on account settings. So then come to this list, you just waiting to open with you. So it's going to take a time, and you click here on notifications. So then come to this list, you come here to hearing someone here, and you come here to allow job post notifications, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean allow job post notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.